Plastic is one of the planet's most pressing environmental problems. 90% of the plastic we use ends up in landfills or in the world's oceans. Now a firm has invented a way to retool that hard-to-use plastic for a role that requires durability, paving roads and highways. Roxana Saberi paid them a visit.
So this looks like regular asphalt.
Yep.
But it's not.
Sounds like regular asphalt.
Feels like regular
asphalt. But it's not. It's made of recycled plastic.
That's right. The driveway at Christopher Boyle's 17th century English estate is paved with 21st century plastic trash.
It has all the ecological or environmental benefits, but to your ordinary punter, you don't see any difference at all.
The difference is that it used the equivalent of 750,000 plastic bags and bottles, ground up along with other hard-to-recycle plastic. This is our Cheetos bags,
this is it.
Our bottles.
Bottles, bottle tops, you name it.
The plastic flakes are mixed at this plant in Scotland with what Toby McCartney calls a secret ingredient.
Bag it up, and then off it goes to the asphalt manufacturers.
That blend replaces some of the black oil-based bitumen that keeps regular roads together.
For every ton of bitumen that we replace, we save a ton of carbon emissions. So for the environment, it's the way forward.
McCartney says it's the best way to tackle the world's plastic waste, 90% of which ends up as litter and landfill. Now his company MacRebur is paving plastic roads across the world, from highways in England to this street in San Diego, where the firm is also opening a new factory. So is this a long-term solution to the world's plastic problem?
I believe so. It's the stuff that nobody else can use. It's destined for landfill or for incineration. We can take all of that plastic and we can recycle it in our roads.
Environmentalists like Libby Peak are cautiously optimistic.
They're potentially lower carbon than conventional roads, so that's very positive. What we don't know yet is how much microplastics these roads might shed.
There are no microplastics present in any of the roads that go down.
But shouldn't people just stop using plastic?
I don't know whether that's ever really going to happen.
McCartney says for now, plastic pavement can curb the world's plastic epidemic. A sentiment shared by Boyle, who says since he laid down his plastic driveway 3 years ago, it's held up fine. Why do you think more places haven't paved their roads with plastic yet?
I'm not sure that very many people know about the technology at all.
You think they should?
Oh, definitely.
For CBS This Morning Saturday, Roxana Saberi, Lockerbie, Scotland.
And now they do.
They do. I didn't.
Yeah, if you didn't know about it, you can't do it.
Yeah, and people probably will keep using plastic. Not everybody's going to stop.
Yeah, but I'm having a hard time understanding whether or not microplastics are inside those roads. So that's the big question.
Do you have the paper straws there right now?
Yes, these are paper.
Yeah, they
These
are
paper. Don't email.
And falling apart.
Don't go there with us, Jeff.